Alright, so we're trying to find out the equation of a line tangent to the graph of f of x, and that's parallel to our given line up here. So we're just going to work through all these steps and we'll eventually get to the last one. So first thing we want to do is find the slope of the given line. Well, that's easy. We'll just go ahead and convert it to slope-intercept form, which would be y equals negative x. So meaning our slope would be negative 1. Next question, we need to find the slope of a line parallel to the given line. And any parallel line to a given line will just have the exact same slope because they have to be parallel, so this would also be negative 1. Next thing we need to do is we need to find f prime of x, which is the derivative, so we'll just go ahead and use the chain rule here. We have negative 1/16 x squared. I'm sorry, I'm writing this on a mouse and keyboard and it's surprisingly hard. So with the chain rule, we can go ahead and multiply our power, which is 2, to the coefficient, and we'll get negative 1/8. And then we also subtract our power by 1, so it'll just be x, so that's our derivative right here. So let's just go ahead and do that. Alright, next thing we want to do is find the point on f of x where the tangent line is parallel to the given line. So how we do this is we set the derivative equal to the slope, right? So we'll just say negative 1/8 x equals negative 1, which is the slope. So, and in this case, x would be equal to 8. So now that we have our x value of our point, we can go ahead and go back to the original function and just plug in 8. So we'll get negative 1/16 and then 8 in there to the power of 2. And when we plug that in, we'll get negative 4. So we got our point. And the last thing, we need to find the equation of the tangent line to the graph and parallel to the given line. So how we do that is we just go back to the original line and just plug in the points and find our y-intercept value. So it'll be y equals, oh, that was bad, y equals, and then we get our 8 in there, and then from here we can just find out that our x-intercept should equal 4. So making 4 minus 4. So now that we know our y-intercept, we have our slope up here. We can just say y equals negative x plus 4. Alright, thank you. Good luck. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks.